5 home remedies for treating split ends. While every woman desires to have long and beautiful shiny tresses, split end becomes a very common hair problem for many women. Split ends can take away the beauty of your whole long hairs at that time. It becomes so frustrating that you feel like cutting your hair short. Some of the main causes leading to this hair split ends are lack of minerals and vitamins, including pollution, use of chemicals and styling products in the hair, and loss of natural humidity and moisture. There are some easy to make, easy to homemade remedies which can cure the problems to split ends. Number one is again banana. Being rich in natural oils, potassium, zinc, iron, and vitamin A, C, and E, bananas help to restore your hair's natural elasticity and minimize the breakage. Plus, they soften and moisturize your hair and encourages hair repair and improve manageability. Process 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of the plain yogurt, and a little rose water and lemon juice in a blender. Apply the banana hair mask to your hair and leave it for about 1 hour. Repeat once or twice a week. Number 2 is papaya. Papaya contains protein that helps to nourish your hair and reduce the split ends. It also adds body and to your hair, remove the buildup and restore your hair's natural shine and softness. Blend half a papaya with 1/2 cup of plain yogurt until you get a smooth mixture. Apply it on your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it out and then shampoo your hairs. Do this once a week, at least 2 or 3 times a month for about few months. Number 3 is honey. Due to its humectant properties and nutrient content, honey is highly beneficial for dry and damaged hair prone to the splitting and breakage. It works as a natural hair conditioner and moisturizer, making your hair soft and shiny. Mix 2 tablespoons of the honey in 4 cups of the warm water. Shampoo your hair and then use the mixture at a rinse and let it sit for about 5 minutes and then rinse it off. Repeat once a week. Number 4 is milk and cream. The combination of the milk and cream provides moisture and make your hair smooth and supple, thereby treating split ends. Plus, milk proteins encourages tissue growth and repair. Mix 1 tablespoon of the cream and 1/2 cup of the whole milk. Rinse your hair let it sit out for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with shampoo your hairs. Do this once a week for a few months. Number 5 is aloe vera. Aloe vera works as a great moisturizer for dry and damaged hairs prone to split end. Plus, it promotes hair growth and prevents your hair loss. Simply massage your aloe vera gel into your hairs, leave it on 30 minutes, and then shampoo it. For better results, you can combine it with a tablespoon lemon juice and 2 tablespoons castor oils, olive oils, or jojoba oils. Do this 2 or 3 times a week for about 2 months. You can also use natural aloe vera shampoo 2 to 3 times a week.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.